Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Be the Fish. And we are in sunny, beautiful Florida right now. My brother actually just launched the kayak. We are doing something a little bit different today. We're actually taking a glide bait, all bass tackle, fluke for follow-up. That's all we're bringing. We're gonna go chase some snook, some redfish, tarpon, see what trouble we can get into out there. But it's gonna be fun. We're gonna load up the kayak here, get on the water, hopefully catch some fish. Hopefully I have the keys. Alrighty. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. This is the day after Christmas that we're going fishing here. See brother out by the mangroves. We're rocking the Batman Crocs. Let's go get on the water. Okay. I know you guys are super jealous of my Batman Crocs. They got wings on them. I know you guys are jealous. Dum-Dum over here forgot his drive for his old town. So we're gonna give him a lift over to where we're going. Are you ready of the Freddy?
This is gonna look so weird to people.
Oh, probably. Low current. A low current. It was awesome watching all these fish chase this thing. Oh, what is that? Had like at one time like 10 snook trying to eat it, take it from each other. Let's go down to where we were catching them before. You need assistance? Okay. I go this way. That's not good. It's a much different morning than the other morning, so it'll be interesting to see if they still want to eat this thing. Hopefully, because it was some pretty cool footage. Of course, none of my batteries were charged because I was lazy the night before. Oh, we had one. Come on. Oh, I just missed one, Jay. Kind of felt like a jack. Oh, yeah, they're gay. Hopefully the sun comes out so you guys can try to see these a little bit better. I mean, this is basically bass fishing right now. That's what we're doing. Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh, it's a good snook. Oh. Come on. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Yes, dude. Oh, that was awesome. I got him on the glide, dude. That's so sick. That is so awesome. Yeah. Okay, all right. That's awesome. Oh. That's pretty sick, dude. Thank you, bud. On the freaking glide, dude. Freaking $100 bass glide bait. Getting shredded in the salt with the saltwater bass. I call them that. Dude, this is bass fishing. This is what this is. I literally just said to the camera, I said, I'm basically going bass fishing in the salt. That's going to be a sick shot from the chesty angle. It was so sick how he smoked it too. He had both trebles. Yeah. I don't know if it was as big as the one you caught yesterday, but it was nice. Skinny, but it was nice. Very good time. So obviously, I only caught that because of the Batman crux. Only reason I caught it. Oh, come on. There's a snook or a mullet in there. I can see him, that's a snook. There's a snook in there. So there's a snook in the mangroves. If I catch him on this thing, I'm going to be screwed. He's way back. Oh, he tried to eat it. Last minute he said no. Oh, I wish it was sunny outside so you guys could see this right now. He swerved on it, mouth open, all the way up to the bait, and then just said nope. He's a big one, so it's smart. That's bigger than the last one. That was cool. Almost sight fished the snook. Oh, God, I got smoked. I think there's jack back here too, because they're just head bumping the glide. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Hit the one. Thanks, bud. They're like a couple feet off. It's weird though, because like the big one I saw cruising was in the mangroves, but the ones that I'm catching are off the mangroves. I don't know if they're following it out or what. There's definitely a bunch in the corner still, because I had a few following it. I missed it. Oh, I see him behind it. That's awesome. Oh, that was a big one. He's boiled on it. I hope you guys can see all those. They're right under it. Oh my God. Oh, come on. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. Oh my God, that was a big snook. Right on cue, Josh has one. The money shot. Did you lose it? Oh. I'm hoping I got footage from my chesty, but I had a snook as big as the one I just caught blow up on it right at the kayak. Yeah, there was like 3 of them with it. See if we can spin around and catch one of them on the fluke. On the fluky. Going back to Papa. They really want that glide bait. No, they do not want the fluke. They said, hey, dude, we want that expensive big bait. What a cast. Oh, come on. Oh! They keep coming up to it. They're swiping left on me. That? Oh, yeah. Are you going to quick release? No? Eaten by Sharky? No? Nah, don't do that. Thanks, bud. Very fun. I like to do that again. Tell you what, guys, this is the first time using this bait, swim bait reel. Thing's legit, man. It's a nice freaking reel for swim baiting with the big power handles, smooth. And the first time using it in saltwater. Josh has got another one. I'll leave a link down below because I'm actually going to be using this for glide baiting. Yidge. I'm actually going to be using this for glide baiting this year in addition to my trank, so now I can have a couple different glide bait setups. So I'll leave this down below because this is legit, man. It feels kind of nicer than a tranks right now, to be honest. You can go grab some at Omnia, save 10%. I'll leave the code down below. It's cool watching them eat this thing. Every time I've eaten it, it's been like when I pause it as the bait like rotates to almost face them a little bit. It's when they're like, chop. Oh, missed one. Dang, I had him. Darn it. My dude literally just ate the underbelly of it. It's crazy. Shows you how much he ate of it. Let's get back here because I'm thirsty and I need some more baits. A little Berkeley fluke. This over here. Let's get a Gatorade. Boop, boop, boop. Nice. That was not the one I missed. Oh. Oh. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it right there. I hope you guys can see that. There's a bunch of snook over here too. There's everywhere. Oh boy. Oh, oh. Oh. Did I see that? That's awesome. The fish just blew up on it in there and didn't eat it. Oh, come on, eat it again. Oh, Come on! Little bastard. That was not good. I was watching them fight over it. There we go. What is that? Nice. I knew you was back there. Thanks, bud. Thank you, pal. Whoop. To the ducks. Where they at though? Jesus. You are a very good bait.
You can just see him, dude.
Holy crap. Is that a dolphin? Yeah. Yeah, I can see the fin. That might be a dolphin. I thought I just saw a spurt. I ain't getting in that thing's way. Yeah, dude. The thing is flying. Oh, shit. No, my God. Oh, my. Oh, dude, it's right here. Oh, yeah, she's right here to our left. She's just waiting. Uh-oh. Oh, dude. She knows. Are you casting again? Oh, my God. Oh. These ladyfish are dumb for eating. Oh my God, she's waiting for you. Oh, no! Jesus Christmas! Just waiting for. Dude, look at this. She's just going nuts right here. Look at it, dude, dude. Well, that was fun. Catching snook on expensive bass glide baits and trying to feed a dolphin. Nice. Sounds like a successful day. She followed us all the way in. Yeah. So where are you going? Alright guys, well, that was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that half as much as we did catching them on a glide. And then seeing that dolphin stuff, hopefully you guys enjoyed that too. But that was freaking fun, catching snook on the glide bait. Watch my brother catch a bunch on the swim bait as well. I do enjoy the rare occurrence where I can get in the salt water and get after some fish. It's definitely a little change of pace, something a little bit different, something new to learn. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. We got more videos coming out from our Florida trip here. Stay tuned. See ya on the next one. Peace.